friend. Welcome to my outside. So I am so excited. I am filming outside, so you're gonna hear owls and birds and all sorts of wildlife. But I do have a new box to my channel, and this is different than any other box that I have. This box is a taste of homemade crate by Kentasticcakes. I am reading this so that I wouldn't forget a word. This happens to be a PR box sent by the company, but the price normally is $40 a month, and it is a mystery box full of, from what I hear, fantastic goodies, because I haven't tasted it yet. But you know me, by the end of the video, it will probably be all consumed. So let's get into it. I just want to make sure I don't miss anything off the card. A Taste of Home Cake Crate provides you with a reminder of home with freshly baked homemade treats from the Kentasticcakes kitchen. We create all our items from scratch, just how it should be. Oh, they so don't know me. Each month you will receive a slice of cake, cake pops, cookies, and a mystery item. Just because you can't be at home doesn't mean you can't have a taste of home. We love pictures. If you like what you got, please consider sharing a picture to our Facebook or Instagram. Now, I will, of course. And I'll have to do it before I consume everything, because once I consume it, there won't be anything left to take a picture. So let's get into it. I already cut the top. They did tape it up really, really good. So I did cut it open. So A Taste of Home by Kentasticcakes, January 2020. Black Forest cake in a cup. Flour, sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, cream, cherry filling. I don't know in what order the items are going to be in the box. So first, there's paper. Oh, I can see items. And I'm thinking this is a Black Forest cake in a cup. Okay, so before I devour it, I do have to take pictures, and I will take the pictures and then I will just film a little clip at the end to let you know how nummy everything is. So that is the first item. And then the second item looks like the cake pops. You see? I don't want to stick it in your face. I will probably have, what is it, a gaggle of birds? So these are the classic chocolate cake pops. Flour, sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Ooh. And it looks like, is that separate? Oh wait, I lied. I don't even know my goodies. These are the cake pops. Don't those look delicious? And then there's the French macaroons, almond flour, sugar, eggs, cream of tartar, butter sprinkles, and food color. So I'm thinking these are the French macaroons. And then on the bottom are the s'more bars. Let me say that again, s'more bars. Milk chocolate, sugar, gelatin, and graham crackers. I just don't know my nummies. So that is everything in the box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it all out and display it so I can take a picture to put on their Instagram. And then I'm going to sample. I don't know if I'm going to sample everyone, but I am going to sample and put that on there so you know how delicious. But what a great idea to get a little nummy box. And of course, it would be an awesome gift to just send to your friends like me. So if you ever want to send me friend mail, this is the friend mail that I would love to get in the mail. So I will be back in a second. I will display everything and then I will taste everything. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm so gonna try this. Is the s'mores, I think. Okay. This is totally awesome. This I'm gonna have for breakfast. These I'm gonna have for a snack. It didn't say anywhere on the sheet if they were keto friendly. So it didn't say that. I'm just assuming these are all keto friendly. These look like they'd be Weight Watchers friendly. So I am gonna leave the link for this great subscription. I recommend that you try it at least once. And then after that, it is definitely a keeper. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my yummies with me. And you guys have an awesome day.